What's up everybody? Welcome to a new video about the Trim Plastics Restorer. Plastics are amongst the most exposed and vulnerable surfaces we can find on our car. Every day they endure the effects of UV rays, pollution, water and temperature fluctuations, which over time cause fading, dullness and in some cases even the formation of micro cracks. Now, plastics are very difficult to restore and they are not repairable by polishing. So many detailers and enthusiasts and professionals seek solutions to restore and protect these plastics, but often face the challenges that make it, I would say, difficult to achieve a perfect and long-lasting result. Now, to make this product, we had to find the most common problems we can find while treating exterior plastic. Number one, uneven application of some products easily apply on porous surfaces but become problematic on smooth plastics or previously treated surfaces. The result? Darker and lighter areas, a non-homogenic finish, creating an inconsistent appearance that ruins the car's aesthetics. Number two, an unwanted glossy effect. While some prefer a glossy finish, many want to restore the plastics without making them look artificially treated. Some protectants leave an overly shiny or greasy finish that does not always match the vehicle's original aesthetic. Potential staining and incompatibility with other surfaces. Some plastic treatments can stain hands, glass or paint if not applied with extreme precision. A mistaken application may require additional cleaning and risk affect other parts of the car. Residue and dirt attraction. Especially this one. Some products, once applied, create a surface that attracts dust, dirt and environmental residues, or even worse, become greasy, causing plastics to become dirty even faster. This will result in constant maintenance, reducing long-term effectiveness. Limited durability. Many products provide a good initial effect, but after a few weeks exposed to water and sunlight, reduces their effectiveness, causing the plastic to quickly return to its original state. Now, in Labocosmetica, we already offer something for plastic treatment. Some off-label, some labeled uses. In the world of detailing, one of the best solutions has always been to treat in plastics with specific products. In the Labocosmetica range, we already have two of these products that we have been using very successfully. Number one, the one a little bit off-label, Nero di Tire Dressing, a nanotechnologically based protectant designed for exterior plastics and tires. It stands out for its ability to penetrate deep into porous surfaces, restoring the original color without creating a visible surface film. It is appreciated for its natural satin finish and resistant to atmospheric agents. Detailers mainly use it on raw or slightly porous plastics, applying multiple layers for enhanced durability. The other one, the one that you know the most, Hydra, a versatile conditioner for plastics, rubbers and seals. It is used to hydrate and protect plastics with quick application and a customizable finish, moving from satin to a wet, glossy type of finish. Ideal for the people looking for this in a practical, fast treatment without the risk of staining or excessive shine. Both of these products are essential for maintenance and protection. But when it comes to a deep, restoring and long-lasting protection, something more advanced is needed. Now, this is where TPR comes in. The new standard for exterior plastic protection. TPR has been developed to solve all the common problems mentioned in the previous clip and provide a durable, uniform and safe protection for all types of exterior plastics. So then arises the question, why choose TPR? Main reasons. Number one, uniform coverage on all plastics. Thanks to its advanced formula, TPR spreads easily and evenly over the type of plastic, avoiding inconsistencies typical of other types of products. Whether the plastic is smooth or porous, the result is always uniform and natural. Number two, a natural matte finish. One of TPR's strengths is a matte finishing, which restores the original color without making it glossy or artificial. Number three, the darkness effect. TPR enhances and revives the color of plastics, giving them a deep, even look without altering their natural texture. Advanced chemical protection. Unlike other treatments that merely create a superficial film, TPR chemically bonds to the plastic, ensuring an effective protection for up to 2 years against UV rays, pollution, dirt, and very aggressive chemical agents. Haze reduction or streak correction. Some treatments leave an uneven hazy effect, making the plastic look inconsistent. TPR has especially been developed to correct and eliminate that issue, restoring surface to a flawless state. Easy application, no need to polish or remove the product. Just apply it with a microfiber pad or sponge and let it absorb. The process is simple, fast, and without the risk of staining other surfaces. Hydrophobic effect. Hydrophobic effect and dirt resistance, thanks to its advanced formulation. TPR repels water, dust, and environmental contaminants, keeping surfaces cleaner for longer and reducing the need for maintenance. Now, for severely faded or damaged plastics, we recommend a pre-treatment, a little bit off use, but Glycol Pure, followed by Veritas to remove any contamination and assure perfect adhesion. Until now, you had to choose between maintenance product and a protection product or a restoration product. With TPR, you get all three in one solution. Say goodbye to faded plastics, difficult application, and short-lasting treatments. All the benefits and perfectness from TPR. Uniform coverage on all plastics, a natural matte effect, darkness effect, advanced chemical protection, haze reduction, easy application, and a hydrophobic effect that gives a reduction of dirt. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
Labocosmetica.